Hello everyone, this is Kerry Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I will talk about custom keto diet. So if you like this video related to turtle health, I would like to request you all, please subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon or give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. Now firstly, I will talk about what is custom keto diet. Custom keto diet is a keto based diet plan by famous nutritionist Rachel Robert. The diet plan is comprehensive and contains an array of bonus readers apart from the customized diet plan. You will find a lot of supplementary readers that provide essential information that keeps you motivated. Moreover, the diet contains a set of videos to help you with the exercise to reach higher fitness goals. But that's not it. The plan also has a customizable list of meal plans and grocery list. You can choose from a host of ingredients and recipes as per your liking. Now, just understand the process, stock the product, and make delicious meal beside losing weight. But since we can't go into detail of each recipe and the whole plan, we need something to put our trust in. So we researched a bit about Rachel Robert and found some credible pieces of information. Rachel Robert is a well-known dietitian and fitness expert. Since she struggled with stubborn body fat for a long time, we can trust her first-hand experience. Indeed, she tried and tested a large number of diet plans before creating this one. The issue with her and most of us is that we don't stick to one plan. Moreover, a lot of times we choose generalized plans that are kind of a hit and a miss. You never know what worked for you, and spending money on personal dietitian can become cumbersome in your pocket quickly. Rachel thus made an affordable diet plan that caters to all. She has compiled recipes that contains a variety of readily available ingredients that you can make at home. Moreover, she has put in other recipes to ensure you only get what you need from the diet plan. You won't need to switch away from this diet plan because it is so flexible. The plan helped Rachel lose a lot of weight, and more importantly, she learned to get into a healthy lifestyle the easy way. Now, I will talk about how to use custom keto diet. You need to be consistent with the diet plan to ensure good result. You can't just skip or cheat every other day and expect result. Your body needs to learn to burn fat, and you need to avoid carbs strictly. It's beneficial to follow the suggested workout plan along with following the meal given in the feed properly. The best option is to stock up grocery and frozen items at the start of the week. You can then follow the plan without worrying about going to the store frequently. Now I will talk about who should and who should not use it. Who should use it first? People who are looking for a viable diet plan that can help them losing weight without making them starve or sacrifice much. People who are looking to build muscles and become ripped can also follow the keto diet. Older adults who can follow an exercise plan will benefit solely from following this diet. Now, who should not use it? People with underlying heart issues as well as diabetes and other disease such first consult their doctor. Minor and pregnant women should avoid the high fat weight loss diet. Second, side effects. The most common and perhaps and only side effect of keto diet is a keto flu. The temporary condition can leave you with severe symptoms like brain fog, nausea, headache, irritability, indigestion, and insomnia. You can't avoid these conditions as different part of your body are trying to adapt to the challenge you are giving them. These symptoms can last everywhere between a week and can go up to a month in rare case. Now, how to buy. Custom Keto Diet is only available on their official website. You will get a digital copy after you fill in all your details and go through the discounted price. I will surely drop down in my description box below. You can directly go up from there and you will get a discounted price available and you can make a purchase from there. So now the summing up. Should you get custom keto diet? Custom keto diet is just what foodies are looking for. It is for those who can't contain their love for chocolate, cheese, and other delicious but still want to be in good shape. And with a 60-day money back guarantee, we are getting an assurance not available with any other diet plan. It's worth an investment, but it's only for those who are ready to handle the effects of possible keto flu and follow the diet religiously. Cheating meals would mean cheating yourself, and you will end up getting fatter and heavier. So that's all in this video. I hope you got it what I'm trying to explain you about custom keto diet. So if you have any sort of questions coming onto your mind, please drop down in the link in the description box below. Otherwise, you can directly talk to me on the another portals, Facebook, Instagram, and many more. I will surely drop down all the links in the description box below. So before signing off, I would like to request you all, if you didn't subscribe this channel, please do that, so that I will come up with more and more videos and help you in a better way. So till then, have a great life ahead. Have a great time with your loved ones. God bless you all.